be able to hear him though.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay, I'm recording now.
I've tried not to be pretty.
Francis, what's wrong with her?
I have no idea. She's always been this way.
This is #1 champion sound. Yeah, still we about to get down.
Toy, this documentary is about you. No.
Give me your band.
Yeah.
Money in my hand right now. Gotta promote that we need more seats. We just sold out
I
all
love
the
her
floor seats.
cobblestone.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy. He said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I'ma like what's underneath it. And no, I ain't been to MIA. I heard the Cali never rains and New York's wide awake. First let's see the West End, I'll show you to my bedroom. I'm liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Will you be my American boy, American boy? Can we get away this weekend? Take me to Broadway. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe.